Hi, Kevin. This is Byron with First Class Marketing. Spoke with Pamela the other day on a short video that I have for you on tips and tricks on optimizing your website as well as your Google profile, bringing more traffic and more revenue to your business. And of course, all of these tips and tricks can be used in-house. As we get started here, you do see I have your website pulled up here. And one thing I do notice is that you have your email listed right there and also the phone number listed as well right there in the front for customers to see. And you have a form that the customers can fill out as well. All three of those are great for quick conversions with customers. And as we scroll through your website here, you have some great pictures and you have some content as well. One thing about Google is that it does want to see about 15 to 2,000 words, depending on the competition and the keywords on any home page. And the keywords are basically anything that anyone types into Google searching for a specific service or product. Now, Google loves information, so within your content, you want to strategically place your keywords within your content across your website, and that is going to basically let Google know on your terms how you want your website to be found. And then also for the pictures that you're saving, even in the background, those pictures can be saved as keywords as well. So I highly suggest doing that. Now, this tool is called what we call Ahrefs, and this gives a analytical breakdown on how your website is doing as far as the traffic. And one thing that we look at is what they call the UR and the DR. So the UR pretty much represents the power that is going to your website, and the DR represents how much trust does Google have in your website. And then also you have about 504 backlinks with about 9 referring domains. And backlinks are basically any other website that is linking back to your website, and it acts as an endorser to your website. So you want to make sure that you get backlinks that are related to the niche that you're in, and not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy, others are authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the authoritative backlinks because those are going to bring more power to your website. You have about 11 keywords listed also, and you're getting about 70 clicks per month to your website. So utilizing some of these tips and tricks will increase these numbers because you want your DR and your UR, you want those to be between 30 and 40. That is going to indicate a strong website. And just looking at your keywords here, you want to make sure that you use local buyer intent keywords, also within the service that you provide and the service location. And as we can see here, you have Kevin Glass Roofing, Glass Roofing Cost, Round Rock, Texas, Roofing Round Rock, Glass Roofs for Home, Replacement Windows, Round Rock, Texas. So you definitely want to increase your keywords as well. And again, utilizing these tips will help to increase these numbers and drive more traffic. And for comparison, I looked up Roofer Austin, Texas, and the results that we have here, this is what we call the map pack area or the map pack section. And down below it, this is what we call the organic listing here. So ultimately, you want to aim to be within this map pack section here because 30 to 40% of all traffic is going to come from this section right here, whether it's customers calling into your business directly or people going directly to your website. And a few tips on getting listed on this map section here. You want to make sure that you have a Google profile set up. And with that profile, you want to make sure that you're getting consistent good reviews. And with those reviews, you want to make sure that you are responding to those reviews. A lot of companies don't know to respond, or some just do not respond at all. So again, you want to make sure that you respond to those reviews that you are getting. Also, you want to make sure this section, the About Me section, is filled out completely. It is about 750 characters long, so you want to make sure that it is filled out in full. And you can also add in some keywords in there as well to optimize your position, as well as adding pictures to your Google Map Pack section, about 100 or so. And you want to make sure that your business name, address, phone number, and hours are listed the same across all platforms, whether it's Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. You want to make sure all of that information is the same. Also is what we call citations. Citations are basically how your business name, address, phone number, and hours come up per your Google profile across any other platforms. So again, you definitely want to make sure all of that information is the same, because that is going to get you listed in different directories such as the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, and Yellow Pages, and thousands more. Just looking at the competition here, this is Austin Longhorn Roofing in Austin, Texas. As you can see, they have their phone number listed right there in the top. They have a click to schedule an estimate, which is pretty good also. They have some pictures on their website, and it looks like they have a lot of content on here as well. And as we plug them into the Ahrefs tool that we used earlier to analyze your website, as you can see, they're getting about 1,700 clicks to their website per month. They have about 819 backlinks with about 75 referring domains. So again, not all backlinks are utilized the same, and they have about 245 keywords. And as we take a look here, you can also use these keywords as well for your website to optimize your website. They have roofer contractor Austin, Austin repair, roof repair, roofing contractors Austin, Austin roofing repair, Austin roofer, Austin roofers, roofing company Austin. So they have some great keywords here listed. And again, these keywords can be used on your website as well. So I hope you found this video very helpful and informative. I do this for a living. So if you have any other questions or concerns that I may can help with, my information will be listed on the email. You can give me a call at any time. And I really appreciate you watching this video. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.